Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. First, you need to turn on the purchase order feature, right? Head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner and click on the account and settings and setting options and navigate to the expenses tab and find the purchase orders section, click edit and enable the option. And under the purchase orders section, click the pencil icon to edit and enable the use purchase orders option. And you can like you show optional fields like custom fields and default message for vendors. And you can also add custom fields, but and a default message for vendors. But this step is optional. Once you're done, click save and then done. Now here's step two. Now let's create the purchase order. Click the plus new button on the left menu and select purchase order. And in the vendor dropdown, select the vendor you are purchasing from and review the mailing address and if needed, the shipping address for your products. If the products are being shipped directly to a customer, select ship to dropdown and ensure the shipping details are correct. And enter the purchase order date, then move to the item details section. Here you can add the products you're purchasing. Remember, you can only add items you have marked as purchasable from a vendor. Once your items and quantities are in place, click Save and Close if you're finished. Or if you're ready to send it to your vendor, then select Save and Send. And when you create purchase orders, it will automatically initially show as open. Once your vendor accepts it, you can update the status and add it to a bill or expense. To do this, navigate to the purchase order and in the expenses section and select add to bill or add to expense. And QuickBooks will automatically update the status closed to closed once added. And that's all there is to it. You can also like view open purchase orders. Like to track your open purchase orders, go to the report section from the top left menu and s- and here you can run reports like open purchase order list or purchases by window details to keep track of your order. And that's all there is to it. You've now created and sent a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. It's that easy to manage your purchases and track them within the system. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials.